Once upon a time, in a small village nestled amidst rolling hills and lush green meadows, there lived a young girl named Amelia. Amelia had an insatiable curiosity that knew no bounds. She spent her days exploring the woods, chasing butterflies, and dreaming of grand adventures. One sunny morning, Amelia stumbled upon an old, weathered book tucked away in the corner of her grandmother's attic. The book was adorned with mysterious symbols and whispered tales of a hidden treasure. Enchanted by the possibilities, Amelia embarked on a quest to uncover the secrets within the book. With her faithful companion, a mischievous fox named Jasper, by her side, Amelia deciphered the symbols and discovered that the treasure was said to lie deep within the heart of the Forbidden Forest. Undeterred by the foreboding name, she packed her bag with provisions and set off on her daring journey. As Amelia and Jasper entered the forest, the air became thick with an eerie silence. Ancient trees towered above them, their branches entwined like skeletal fingers reaching for the sky. The duo cautiously ventured deeper into the forest, their senses heightened by the mysteries that surrounded them. Suddenly, a soft whisper echoed through the trees. Amelia and Jasper froze, their hearts pounding with excitement and trepidation. They followed the sound, leading them to a hidden clearing bathed in golden light. In the center stood a magnificent, sparkling stone pedestal, upon which rested a small, ornate key. Amelia's hands trembled with anticipation as she picked up the key. It felt warm against her skin, as if infused with magic. The book had foretold that the key would unlock the door to unimaginable wonders. Guided by the book's pages, Amelia and Jasper traversed the forest, unlocking hidden passages and encountering enchanting creatures along the way. They crossed moss-covered bridges, delved into ancient caves, and braved roaring rivers. Each step brought them closer to the fabled treasure. Finally, they arrived at a magnificent waterfall cascading down a cliff, its waters sparkling like liquid diamonds. Hidden behind the waterfall was a cavern, its entrance framed by intricate carvings. Amelia inserted the key into the keyhole, and the heavy stone door creaked open, revealing a vast chamber illuminated by a glowing crystal. Within the chamber, treasures of unimaginable beauty and value lay strewn across golden pedestals. The air was alive with a gentle hum, and the walls were adorned with ancient tapestries depicting heroic deeds and long-forgotten legends. Amelia and Jasper stood in awe, their eyes wide with wonder. But amidst the glittering treasure, Amelia noticed something more precious than all the riches in the world, a small, weathered book similar to the one she had found in her grandmother's attic. It was a book of stories, filled with tales waiting to be discovered. Amelia realized that the true treasure was not the material wealth surrounding her, but the power of imagination and the stories that had led her on this incredible adventure. With a grateful heart, she reached out and picked up the book, vowing to share its stories with the world. Leaving the treasure behind, Amelia and Jasper retraced their steps, back through the forest, back to their village. As they emerged from the Forbidden Forest, they were welcomed by a joyous crowd eager to hear their tale. Amelia shared the magic of her journey, inspiring others to follow their dreams and embark on their own adventures. And Amelia became the village storyteller, weaving tales of bravery, wonder, and the power of the human spirit. Her stories transported people to distant lands and sparked the imagination of generations to come. In the end, Amelia realized that the greatest adventure was not found in a faraway land but within.